So if anything that the last couple of years has taught us is that mortality is real. And when people leave, they leave with a lot of things with them, right? And one of them is recipes. And sometimes the food and the flavors that we love, it just ceases to exist. And that is why I created Nivaala. So a few years ago, when I lost my mom, I realized I hadn't written down or learned any of our family recipes. So with a mission to inspire people to record their family recipes as heirlooms, which are just as precious as the saris, jewellery, and the watches that we inherit, I started off by just creating like a simple an heirloom recipe journal. It's like a beautiful coffee table book which has spaces inside to log in your recipes. It becomes part of your family heirloom. So it started off with just a single product as a recipe journal, and now we've expanded into doing curated ingredient specific zines where we partner with brands across the country. So one of them we did was the jackfruit project. So the idea behind this was to partner with Eat With Better, and we sent and they make jackfruit. So we sent jackfruit to all the chefs across India, and we asked them for recipes of how they would make that jackfruit, and collated it into like a magazine. So we've done that with multiple ingredients, including rajma, and then now we're launching mushroom, and next is rice. And with absolutely minimal effort and planning, this year our revenue has been approximately 14 lakhs, and we're profitable, and which is a 6x growth from the previous year. And surprisingly, 40% of these sales have been from outside India, primarily NRIs, because those are the people who want to stay rooted to their culture, right? And in addition, we've also been featured in national media such as Times of India, Hindu, Indian Express, Condé Nast, and so many more. Because it's a universal emotion that resonates with everyone. And also during COVID, we did a fundraiser where we partnered with eight of the top chefs across India, such as Manu Chandra, Pooja Dhingra, Kindness Messman, and we asked them to share their family recipes with us, and we collated into a recipe book, and we used that to raise funds. And over a course of 2 weeks, we raised 12.4 lakhs. So my ultimate vision is to create a space where people can eat, shop, and learn about Indian food and indigenous ingredients. And I want Nivaala, like at least one Nivaala product, to be in 3 crore households, Indian kitchens across the world by 2025. So the idea is to build like a global food empire which changes the perception of Indian food and move it beyond just the dal makhani and butter chicken. And right now we're just getting started.